So that's what I did for my hair, and I put on these hoop earrings, you know, put a little light makeup on. I know. It's looking bad, I know. It wasn't supposed to be like this. What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Danielle here. So today's video I will be redoing my mini braids. It's been a hot minute since I last posted. I know guys, because I've been wearing my mini braids. I've been rocking them, I've been wearing them. But this is around 3 weeks post mini braids install, and my hair is giving Flake City. I know it's giving a hot mess, I know, but we're gonna get it together. Okay, do you trust me? Because we're gonna get it together here, okay? I am gonna go ahead first and pre-poo my hair. Basically, a pre-poo is like a detangler that you use before you actually shampoo your hair. It helps you get rid of all the knots and tangles in your hair. So that's what I'm gonna do here. And this has been a game changer for me. Get on it. If you're not on it, just get on it, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and shampoo, condition, and give my hair a protein treatment off camera, and I'll be back. So now it's time for me to blow out my hair. This is actually the first time that I've actually blown out my hair for a mini braids install. Usually I just either do a braid out, do my mini braids from a braid out that I have done, or I just do it straight out of the shower, like, you know, just like that. But this time I said no. I said no man, we're gonna do something different, okay? Because I was really trying to go for that boho style. I know I'm late to the trends, but I was really going for the boho braid look. So I said, you know what, I need the length, okay? I need as much length as possible. So let me blow out my hair and let me get it together. And when I was finished, I was like, whose hair is this? What? My hair has grown. Now I know I have some major split ends that I need to cut off or whatnot, but my hair has really grown. So since I was gonna do some boho braids, I said, you know what, my parts need to be pristine. They need to be immaculate, okay? So I went ahead with my neat braid conditioning shining gel. I put it in between my parts. I straightened them out. I had my 360-degree mirror, and I was really, you know, good to go. You know, I was pumped up. I was ready, okay? I really love that this gel, it doesn't flake on you, and it just gives you a smooth hold. Now it doesn't last as long. I'm just gonna be honest, it doesn't last as long. It's kind of it's very similar actually to the Shine and Jam. I don't know if you guys know Shine and Jam, the orange bottle, the green, the purple, whatever bottle that they have, like it's very similar to Hair Jam. So you get that sleek and smooth hold without the flakes, which I love. So yeah, so I was really, you know, I was like, okay, I'm gonna do the boho braids, you know, I'm gonna, you know, really do this look. Do you see me taking out pieces of hair? No, look real closely. Do you see me taking out pieces of hair? What happened? I don't know. I was just not in the mindset of taking out the hair. I was like, I did one off camera, and I said, no ma'am, I am not gonna be up here all night taking out pieces of hair for some boho braids. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna leave a good amount of the ends out, and I'm gonna call it a boho braid, okay? It's gonna be the boho-ish hairdo, okay? It's gonna be the boho bootleg version, because I don't know, I was watching videos of ladies who did it, and I said, you know what, God bless your hands, because I don't know how you really took out your small pieces of hair and you know, you held them together with the clip. I don't know how y'all did it, but I said, no man, that's just not for me. All right, so we're gonna have to save the boho trend for another date. So I was able to fit 6 mini braids right there at the back. They were looking good. I'm not gonna lie, they were looking good. I really love this gel. It really held everything together. There was no frizz or anything in sight, and you know, it was looking good. And I said, you know, this is coming along great. Okay, this is coming along quite good. Now let me show you this real quick. Let me show you what's gonna happen right here. Let me part my hair. There we go. There we go. Yeah. Y'all see this? I know y'all see this. What is this? Man, I'm telling you, I have like a bald spot. I have to get my iron levels checked, guys, because that bald spot, I don't know. It needs to go. So I am going to go ahead and do my regular parting. I'm going to do the bricklayer stagger parting that I spoke about in my previous mini braids video. So if you haven't checked it out, go ahead and check it out, okay? That mini braids video, I actually did not stretch my natural hair, so it's different from this one. So go ahead and check out that mini braids video. I really didn't like my end result too much, so I said I was gonna have to do it again and have to get it right. So that's why I redid them, but I really like how this looks more uniform and more neat. You guys see? It looks neater. So the conditioning gel is a great product if you are looking for mini braids or even mini twists. You know, it's really good. It doesn't weigh your hair down too much or anything. So I really love this product. And yeah, I would definitely recommend it. Now, like I said, it doesn't last as long, you know, but at least it doesn't flake. You know, you can't have it all. Shoot. But this is me just doing my hair. I'm doing it in the bricklayer, as I mentioned, making sure that I'm filling in those parting gaps. I don't want my hair to look too flat because I do have fine strands, so I don't want my hair to look too flat. So the higher I go in my hair, the higher up I go, you'll see that I leave more hair out. Now, tell me why I looked on my dresser and there was no gel inside. I really wanted an eco styler gel. Like I really wanted like a water-based gel so that I can really get the curly ends. But what I had to end up doing was using my mousse and I used the Nairobi mousse, and I also used my TJN honey mousse alongside with the Camille Rose almond twisting butter. I used that, and you know, just to create a curly look, because with the boho braids they do curl the ends. So I did want to curl the ends. Now I said I was gonna go out. I was thinking about going out and picking up the gel, but I said, nah, I don't gotta do all of that. This should work, right? These three products combined should give me some hope. So that's what I end up using for my ends. You guys will see and judge how it looks at the end, you know, towards the end when you see how everything came out. But I am on my last braid here, thank God, hallelujah. Okay, you know that joyous feeling, okay, when you're on your last braid, you put your all in because nothing else matters right now. So now it's time to curl the ends. I have my three products here with me, and let me tell you something. Let me be honest with you. I think I should have went to the store. I think I should have made that visit down to the store and pick up the gel. Okay, now I'm not gonna throw shade at these three products because you know they did what they're supposed to do. I saw some curls in there. You guys could see a little curl. I know you could see it. You could see it, right? But you know what? I think I should have made that trip. Okay, I think that trip could have made a little bit more of a difference in the final results. But you know what? Sometimes you're just gonna have to work with what you got, and not be delusional. Okay, I don't have 3C here, so why am I over here thinking that it's gonna come out like that? But you know, these three products, at least my hair was moisturized. Okay, at least my hair was looking healthy. Okay. Now I didn't have any diffuser at hand, so I went ahead and, you know, improvised with my own hands and scrunched up my hair ends so that I can have the curly look. So this is what I'm working with. Of course, the ends, they do dry it down, so don't worry about that. I wanted to add a few accessories, and by the time I was pulling on them, those little gold things were like dropping out my hair. So I was like, forget that. So this is the final result, everyone. This is the final look. Not too bad, okay? But thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more natural hair related videos, and I'll see you in my next video. Later, guys.